You can set watering to occur on all odd or even calendar days. Turn the dial to water days and press Program Select to choose the desired program. Press and hold the left and right arrow buttons at the same time until odd or even is displayed. Set watering to occur at specific intervals, such as every 2 days or every 3 days. Turn the dial to water days. On the Custom Day screen, press the right arrow button until the Cyclic screen is displayed. Press the minus or plus button to set the desired day cycle. Press the minus or plus button to set the days remaining before the cycle begins. The next watering day updates on the display to indicate the day that watering will start as shown. Set the controller to obey or ignore a rain sensor. Turn the dial to Sensor and press the minus or plus buttons to select Active or Bypass. When set to Bypass, all programs will ignore the rain sensor. When set to Active, automatic irrigation will be suspended if rainfall is detected. The rain sensor bypass can also be set by station. Turn the dial to Sensor and then press and hold the left and right arrow buttons at the same time. Press the left or right arrow keys to select the station, then press the minus or plus buttons to obey or ignore the rain sensor on that station. Increase or decrease program run times by a selected percentage using Seasonal Adjust. Turn the dial to Seasonal Adjust. Press the minus or plus buttons to increase or decrease the global percentage setting from as low as 10% to as high as 200%. To adjust an individual program, press Program Select to choose the desired program. You can suspend watering for up to 14 days. Turn the dial to Auto, then press and hold the plus button. Press the minus or plus button to set the days remaining. The next watering day will update on the display to indicate when watering will resume. To cancel a rain delay, set the days remaining back to 0. When the delay expires, automatic irrigation resumes as scheduled. Prevent watering on selected days of the week. This feature only works with the odd, even, or cyclic watering schedules. Turn the dial to water days and press Program Select to choose the desired program. Press and hold Program Select. Press the minus button to set the selected day as a permanent day off, or press the plus button to leave the day on. Save all programming by turning the dial to Date and Time and pressing the left and right arrow buttons at the same time. Restore previously saved programming by turning the dial to Start Times and pressing the left and right arrow buttons at the same time. Allow a station to be controlled by a master valve or pump start relay by turning the dial to Run Times and pressing the left and right arrow buttons at the same time. Set a station delay from 2 seconds up to 9 hours to ensure that a valve is completely closed before the next one opens by turning the dial to Off and pressing the left and right arrow buttons at the same time. And finally, reset the ESP-TM2 to the factory default settings and erase all programmed schedules by turning to Seasonal Adjust and pressing the left and right arrow buttons at the same time.